Kayode Williams, the National Coordinator of Integrity Ministers International Ministry, has reaffirmed God's mandate and secrets for 2023 elections. Bola Ahmed Tinubu will emerge victorious in a landslide manner in the 2023 presidential elections. With less than 3 weeks to go before Nigeria's presidential election, major cash and fuel shortages are stirring up public anger and tensions during campaigning for Nigeria's top post. Already grappling with widespread insecurity and economic fallout from the Ukraine war, Nigerians are also dealing with fuel shortages and limited access to cash due to a program to exchange old banknotes for new ones. Bola Tinubu has lashed out at enemies for purposefully creating the crisis to derail his own election. "They are trying to cause trouble and sabotage us," Tinubu told supporters at a rally in Abeokuta last week. "Whether there is fuel or not, we will vote and win."
God has told me about Tinubu that he will do it and he will succeed. So
APC Governor for Kaduna State, Nasir El-Rufai, stirred up tensions further with the claimed saboteurs in the presidential villa were trying to undermine Tinubu. But Bishop Kayode Williams, the deputy director of the Independent Campaign Council, ICC, speaking to journalists at the ICC Secretariat in Abeokuta, said that Jesus is the captain of the ship. I am is leading Tinubu to win the battle, come February 25, 2023, saith the Lord of hosts. I am the captain of the ship. Bishop Williams reminded all about God's prophecy on Tinubu. What the Lord said was that there will be a great confusion, commotion, and shake-ups that will create a great opportunity for Tinubu to move to greater heights and occupy the position of authority, the Lord had already said. Those who are secretly planning to truncate Tinubu's destiny shall meet with great failure. Your Creator will reveal to you the weak points of your enemies and you shall be victorious over them. That fellow who pretends to be your friend who is actually your enemy, I shall expose and disgrace them. Bishop Williams says, "Fear not, the Lord of hosts is the captain of the ship."
Wọ́n tún gbé ogun Tinubu lójú gbogbo wa. Tó bá jẹ́ pé tó ń bá ní ìpè wà, àyàfi tó bá jẹ́ pé mo tọrọ ẹ̀, àbí mo fi nǹkan tẹ́ nídìí. Mo tún bá jẹ́ pé láti jọ́ tí mo ti jáde lọ́gbà ẹ̀wọ̀n, mi ò lẹ́lò mi àbúrò. Tinubu máa lọ síbi ògùn. Àṣẹ wà, ìpè wà, májẹ̀mú wà, òtítọ́ wà. Mi ò wá kankan ju pé kí wọ́n lọ́rùn kó dáhùn àdúrà yìí. Kí wọ́n bá lè mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ lọ́lọ́run jẹ́ Ọlọ́run.